reflections. In this video, I'm going to try to take some pictures of reflections. I came down to the university recently to try to take some photos of structural architecture, and I saw a really nice puddle and a nice reflection. And I thought, right, the next opportunity I get to go and revisit that spot and try to take that picture, I will. And that's exactly what I'm going to try and do in this video. I'm going to go and show you that process. I'm going to do my best and cut out the fluff and just get down to the photos. But I do have to explain one thing, and that is I've got my Olympus EM1 Mark II and I'm using the L bracket. I really hate this L bracket. I don't use it as an L bracket. I just have it as a base plate. But the bottom of the L bracket is going to be invaluable for me to get my camera low, rest on that bottom of the L bracket, and it will help me take a really good, or try to get better reflection puddle photos. That's what I'm going to use it for. Just spotted this puddle. I've got 1.6 seconds and F4, and I'm on a 2-second timer. So I press the button now. Let's take that picture. First one. I don't know what that's going to be like. No idea. But let's have a look at that first one now. We've had lots of rain in the UK in January, and you might say, well, you're used to that already. But as much as the US has had all its cold weather lately, and down under have had all that boiling hot weather, we've had lots of rain, which is usual, but not quite as usual, not this much rain. But today it sort of stayed wet, it stayed damp, and I think it's ideal for all these puddles to stay where they are, because normally when I come out and try to take a picture of puddles, they by the time I get to them, they've gone. So hopefully they're still here and I can find a few now. Here's the puddle I saw the other day, and I'm really pleased to see the lights on at the uni, so I'm hoping I'll get some nice lights. Now let's go and have a look. I'll put the camera down to the bottom of this puddle, see what sort of reflection I'm likely to get. Oh, you can't really see very well. Oh, that's not bad. That might work. I'll set the camera up and let's have a look. Got a 1-second exposure, F4 again. I've got the 2-second timer on. Let's go for that. Let's hit that button. That's a couple of pictures taken of that puddle, which is the one I thought I was going to do. Now I'm going to have a look around the other part of the university and see if I can find anything else. And I'm not going to stay out long tonight. It's not going to be a long video, but let's see what else I can find. Even the smallest puddles work, and this one I've got, it looks like F8 and a 6-second exposure, 2-second timer. Let's stick that on. Walked from one side of the university over the railway bridge and all along to the other side of the university looking for reflections. The benches behind me might make a nice reflection. I'll have a look at those and I'll see if there's any puddles. I've got the 17mm lens with me, and that's what I've used tonight because I wanted to make sure I've got a really nice wide angle. But there is a law in photography that says that you've never got the right lens. Whatever lens you've got, it's never the right one. And I could have done with the 12mm just to get the widest of wide angles, to get all of the puddles, all the reflections in. Hey, but that's just how it goes. You just got to make the best of the equipment you've got with you. The engine shed sign looks good, and I'll see if I can get a shot looking up from this bench. It's not really got a puddle on it, but it has got a lot of damp, so it might work. So we've got 8 seconds. I think I've still got it on F8, and I've done that just to get the depth of field. It might be too much really, but I'm just going to go with this. And hit the button, 2-second timer, 8 seconds. Let's leave that to go and see what we get. that's it, I'm done. I planned this to be a pretty short video. I just wanted to get out, take some pictures of puddles, reflections, and be done and back. So I've done that. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have, give it a like, that would be amazing. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.